I'm sorry, y'all. I don't think I can finish this video. Something's not right. I can't do this.
She sophisticated head to the toes, acting like a lady, she ain't acting like these hoes. She don't need me, she got her own. Independent woman and it shows. She may be laughing, but I know that she ain't kidding. We ain't keeping secrets, but I stay out of her business.
Hey y'all, it's Alondra. Welcome back to the land. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I wax myself at home. Y'all, this is going to be my first time doing an at-home wax routine. So, yeah, I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of excited to be saving money. I ain't going to lie about that. Anyways, as the wax melts, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the stuff I have. I have baby powder to dry the area before I wax it, and that's it. And then it also came with beads, wax beads, and these are all hard wax. I'll go ahead and show y'all my armpit. Y'all, this is, look, we're having a vulnerable moment right here, okay? Because this is like so gross. But this is my armpit. This is the other armpit. All right, y'all, I'm nervous. So basically, I need to put powder on my armpit first, and then I'm going to apply the wax in the direction that the hair is growing. But I don't know which direction this is growing. Like, I feel like it's growing everywhere. I feel like it's growing upward down here and then downward down here. But I'm just going to put it upward, and we'll go from there. I have my wax, like, really hot because my wax lady be having it really hot, and she be burning me. So I feel like I need to have mine really hot and burn me. Okay, here we go. Oh shit. Ooh. Too hot. Ooh, why'd I do that? Y'all. This is not gonna be fun. Alright, let me let it dry. Well, what temperature I'm supposed to keep it at? Okay. And why is it so stringy? This is cheap wax. Oh, this is like really, like, y'all, I feel like I just wasted my money at this point. Because I feel like this is not the right kind of wax. Okay, I'm gonna rip off the bottom one first. I really burnt myself though, like seriously. I mean, some hair came off. This is crazy. Here I go. Y'all, here is where the wax was stuck and I was just trying to pick it off for the longest. But this is basically when I realized this was not the right type of wax because the pain level was unbearable. Yeah, my little armpit is bleeding. Let me try to put more wax on it maybe and see if that's what the problem is. Because as of right now, it's stuck. I think what it is, this wax is cheap. Here, as I start to contemplate my life and what am I doing with this wax, I'm going to use this time to let y'all know why I think it's so cheap. Basically, the wax will not glide along the hair. It will get stuck into the hair. My armpit ain't do nothing to deserve this. Hard rip. Y'all, so much is stuck. Look at that. I can't even rip it hard if I want to. Y'all, look at my armpit. That was really painful. So I ain't gonna lie to y'all. As much as I want to like keep using this, I feel like I have the wrong wax. Like, and that's why it's so stringy, because it's not hard enough wax. It's like it's just candle wax or something. This is not what they're using at European. It's not. This is literally painful. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't think I can finish this video. Something's not right. I can't do this. The wax is not the right wax. My armpit hurts like hell and it's bleeding. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it here.